This is the 22mm carb that we've been testing with the 3D printed intake. Reasonably successful, very good idle, very good low down, just lacking a little bit of punch. So in the process of going to try the 24mm. So this is the 24mm equivalent. Just waiting for the 3D printer to spit out the intake adapter hose or angle fitting for the air filter. Then we'll give that a try. And then following that is going to be some repairs from a monumental crash at a trial a couple of weeks ago. I tumbled down a bank, got stabbed in the chest with a handlebar, and the bike went end over end. So we're going to epoxy those back up, a bit more carbon, and away we go. I think the front is cracked again, yeah, so the front took another hiding at the front there. So doing more repairs than actually building, but we'll get to that. And then you may have seen in the background another project just popped up, so you'll see that fairly shortly. Bit of a disaster on this inlet adapter for the air filter. Here you can see the difference, the failed one on the left, but just the finish quality compared to over the two, and that's just playing with settings and reducing the fan speed. It's bizarre. Printing the air filter intake, so this tucks in under the seat, and it's printed from TPU. So here is the 24mm carb with the inlet pipe and the foam air filter tucked in under the seat. So nice and smooth and out of the way, flexible out of TPU, pressed on, so nice and rigid.
Please add your thoughts and comments, like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel.
7:28.